Hello, William Jiaming here. Welcome to my channel. So I'm trying to make a new app because I want to use it. Okay, I'm like pretty active on a lot of platform, and so you may didn't notice, but may seem not like it. I'm a pretty shy person, and I'm not a native speaker, so my English is not so good. So sometimes it's bad, sometimes like causing so many jokes, uh, and that's okay. I'm so cool about that, and I'm constantly learning. But here's the thing: my spoken English is not so good. I sometimes need to like write a script first, and then I have to read it out. Um, so but I also travel a lot, but I want like constantly update video on my social platform. Okay, so preferably there will be an app that can suit the needs of like I can read the script that I wrote earlier, and but also I can like shoot my like I can sort of view this as a mirror as well as a recorder. Okay, I can take a video, but I can also see what's going on, like teleprompter. Okay, it's like a teleprompter. Okay, and after I read I like read all these things, I want to like click export and export that video I just recorded. But I also want to make a thumbnail. Okay, because normally if you are pretty active on social media, you know that if you upload a video, you're required to have a like a screenshot as a thumbnail, and then you add some text on it. So I want like a combined streamlined process together, so I can not only just record confidently with the script, but also I can export that one click, but also export some of the amazing moments of my recording. Probably I can like choose some of the frame and add some text to it. Okay, preferably like batch generate text. Like you can like I think I can borrow from my previous project like batch thumbnail generator. Yeah, basically that's something like this. But also preferably we can add like music and all that. But that's the idea. That's the idea. So what I'm going to do is to record the develop. It's like a devlog, semi-devlog, semi-tutorial sort of thing. I will explain the code along the way, but I'm not going to type it out for you. Okay, I'm going to explain every tiny detail. I want to show you the like creative process of real life projects. That's a kind of a like this channel already have tons of really basic stuff. Really like I record this, I type this, and I explain things code line by line. I read down tons of it, and I continue to do that in the future. But I also want to add more, value added content, like what this project should be written in real life scenario, in real projects. I want to upload that as well. So as you can see, I got like a tons of devlog, of game devlog, like app devlog, and how to go through all the process and chat with you guys, because I want like a one-on-one personal touch, as well as I want to share with you every step of the way. If you are indie dev, you encounter all this issue and how you like create things and brainstorming, creating, get feedback, and constantly updating and all that. Okay, so it'll be fun. Let's get started. And don't forget to give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I got tons of like amazing thing that you won't find anywhere else for you. Okay, so let's get to it. By the way, I also got another channel called Learn Digital Art, where I share how I create all this like game access to all this thing. Okay, it's great fun. Also learn music. Okay, I like create music, sound effect myself. So yeah. So let's go to Xcode. I'm going to create a completely new project. This project, I'm thinking maybe iOS project, because I want it to be portable. Okay, I want it to like install on your phone. I can go anywhere else. I can use it. Okay, so, and I'm going to say this will be a teleprompter helper or something like that. Okay, I'm going to just use this audio. Teleprompter. Not teleport. Teleprompter. Yeah. I'm going to add simple teleprompter. Okay. Because I already made the app of a simple thumbnail, make a simple teleprompter. Yeah, I love this name. I'm going to use this. Right now, I wanted to start from scratch with everything just default and next, and I'm going to make it this a new tutorial. A simple novel writer. Okay, so I'm going to like write a 20. Oh my gosh! So simple teleprompter. Yeah. Sometimes I use the dictation a lot just to save me from typing, because I got a lot of typos. Okay, teleprompter. Yeah, that's good. A simple teleprompter. Let's create this project. Of course, I'm going to use Git to get the version control, because I want to test a lot of things. Okay, so yeah, pretty good. Let's first get the layout ready. Okay, so after a few times of try and error, I did something like this. Okay, and I'm following the MVVM model here, but yeah, right now there is no model. Okay, that's because there's actually no data, just plain recording and exporting. I already cast my real device to the phone, so you guys can see what's going on here. Okay, so basically the app works like this. We got like the whole preview right now. You can see the whole preview cover the whole phone, and you can edit scripts. I'm going to paste the script here. Okay, I'm paste some economic scenario called the Fisher debt deflation spiral. I know it's a mouthful. That's the reason I'm going to use this teleport, because there's no way I'm going to like memorizing everything, but I try to explain this. I have to got some like teleprompt, so you guys can get the accurate like a script. Okay, then you can click save. Then you choose, for example, I want to say 60 seconds. I want to use 6 seconds to finish everything. Okay, then I can click play and click recording. Okay, so I can say, I can pause it and start. Say the term Fisher debt deflation spiral refers to a theory proposed by economic Irving Fisher in the early 20th century, specifically in his 1933 work titled and blah blah blah, all that. Okay, so once you're finished, you can click this, and of course you can like switch the camera, like you can flip this camera, so you can see what's going on, like here. Okay, and then you can switch it back, and then you can click save. Okay, and once you click save, you can find all this in your photo. So right now there's my photo. You can click this, the last one, and I believe you can actually play this. And there's no audio. That's because I'm like a caster that I'm going to add. Refers to a theory proposed by economic Irving Fisher in the early 20th century, specifically in his 1933 work titled and blah blah blah, all that. Okay, so okay, I think that's already pretty good. So actually, you can use this to actually record something. Okay, and you can like watch this in real time, like this. Okay, and then you can quickly read everything out. So you got a teleprompt, and you can record it and save it. Okay, that looks pretty good. And I'm going to quickly explain the code right now. Obviously, there are a lot of things that I need to improve. So first, the when you play and you pause, you just go back to the top. I'm going to improve that, and preferably there will be like multiple sections that I can, quickly like make them together. And for the script part, maybe I need to add some model that I can save a lot of scripts. And for save functionality, I need to add some like a progress bar, so actually the save will work. Yeah, but right now it's already pretty good. So for the first time I try this, it's already pretty good. So what I'm going to do is quickly go through the structure. So MVVM basically is the model and the views and view model. Okay, already got this camera view model as well as a teleprompter view model. Okay, and let me quickly like go through the code I'm writing. Okay, so basically there are like 3 sections. So first is the entering point of this app. That will be, I think without any that is just the app. Okay, this will be the entering point. Once you got entering point and main functionality, everything will be handled in the content view. Okay, we got this camera and teleprompter, so that like 2 view model stacked together. And so how it work? Really simple. We have to set up the camera. So we got camera view model here. Okay, set the camera class is using camera, is recording, all that, blah blah blah. Initialize it and check the permission. Okay, whether the permission is authorized. Of course, you're going to modify the plist, which I added here. Okay, you need to add the camera uses description photo library because you can just save the photo. Microsoft, you want to record the audio as well. So yeah, and check permission and set up the camera, dispatch queue, and yeah, all that. Set video inputs, right? If you can't get video input, you're in big trouble, right? Video input, audio inputs, so combine them together. It should be called from background thread, calling from main thread can later you are. Yeah, yeah, I'm going to deal with that. Okay, and switch camera, right? You can switch it to front, to add, toggle, saving, all that. But never use. Yeah, I'm going to modify code as well. Then output, okay, unless there's some error. So that's the camera functionality. The main functionality of the camera. The second is teleprompter. Teleprompter view model will handle all this business logic. Okay, toggle scroll. Okay, whether scrolling or not. So really simple one here. I'm going to change maybe speed or something like that, and add a progress bar, and maybe toggle the text size and visibility. Yeah, I will do that later. I just want to quickly get the setting here. I think all the view just we separate the whole user interface into different parts. First, it's a camera preview that will take the huge part. Okay, let me just give you. Where is it? Okay, I'm going to get. So first, the camera preview will like cover the most of the screen here, and so most of the screen will cover the camera preview, and that will be camera. Where is it? Camera preview. Where is it? Come on. Yeah, camera preview. Yeah, sorry about that. So whole preview will be like cover the whole screen and add the button control, camera control, and yeah, script input view. Okay, you add that, you got like a pop-up window, right? And you can input more things inside and overlay text. Okay, we got this scrolling effect, and that will show the prompt text in the view model. Okay, so yeah, I think that's pretty much it. And I'm going to like go through the data flow. So basically, user input the user input the data, right, using the edit script and put the data, okay, through the text editor, put it, save it, and it will automatically show in the preview. The text right now is like a display here, okay, as a preview, and will automatically scroll, and all this camera will be another data input, and then the camera preview will be added back, and user can control text scrolling by click play and pause, okay, and while recording, both video and audio are captured, So I do like capture that simultaneously and save that to photo library. Okay, so I think that's already pretty good for the first time I try this. And so by the way, it's like a devlog sort of thing. So next time I'm going to like refine this app and go through it and give you some like new functionality I'm thinking, and I will talk a little bit more about the like real life scenarios, how to deal with and how to like refine this app. Okay, so yeah, don't forget to give me a thumb up, and if you want the source code right now, you can join the Patreon and you can download that. You can even use that commercially. Is that amazing? Okay, so, and of course the best way to support me is give me a thumb up, subscribe to my channel. All right, so thanks, bye.